In this video, we'll talk you through the best ways to alphabetize in Google Docs and Google Sheets. Sorting your documents by title. Open Google Docs. Click the Sort Options menu button. In the web version of Google Docs, look for an AZ button on the top right side of the screen, just below the template gallery and above the list of recent documents. The default sorting option is Last Opened by Me. Select title or name from the drop-down menu. This will sort your docs by title in alphabetical order. Documents with titles that start with numbers or special characters will be listed first. Alphabetizing text within a doc. Open your document in Google Docs. Once open, click the Extensions drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Select Add-ons. Choose Get Add-ons. This will open a pop-up window where you can search for and install new add-ons from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Install an add-on with sorting capabilities. Click the blue Install button. Proceed with the steps on the window that pops up. A confirmation window will pop up once the add-on is successfully installed. Click Done. Select the text you want to alphabetize. Choose your add-on from the Extensions menu. Click the alphabetizing option you want. Depending on which add-on you are using, you'll have a few different options for formatting your text. Once you select the option you want, the add-on will reorder your text. Sorting data alphabetically in Google Sheets. Open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Select the data you want to sort. Click Data. Select Sort Range. Choose Sort Range by column, letter, A to Z. Click this option to put the first column in your selected range in alphabetical order. Choose Sort Range by column, letter, Z to A for reverse alphabetical order. Use Advanced Range sorting options to sort multiple columns. With the desired range of columns selected, click on Sort Range, then click Advanced Range Sorting Options. Check the box next to Data has header row if your columns have titles. This will prevent the titles from being sorted with the rest of the data. Select the column you want to sort first from the Sort by drop-down menu, then select the sorting order. Click Add another sort column to add the next column in your range that you'd like to sort, and select the sorting order you want for that column. Click Sort to apply the changes. Select Sort Sheet to sort the whole sheet based on a selected column. For instance, if you have a list of names in column A and associated dates in column B, this option will arrange the names alphabetically and would also reorder the matching dates in the next column so they stay paired with the original names. To do this, select the column you want to sort alphabetically. Open the Data menu and select Sort Sheet. Choose the sorting order you want. For example, for alphabetical order, select Sort Sheet by column A. You can also sort in reverse alphabetical order. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.